Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take out or insert SD cards into GoPro Fusion 360. To do it, you need to open this door right here. This is the battery compartment door. Click on this button, then slide them down, and that's how you open them. And here are SD cards on both sides. I have mine inserted, so to take them out, you need to just click on them, and then they will pop right out. And now they are taken out. You need to have two SD cards in order for the camera to work. And to put them back in, just take them. The logo has to be facing the battery. So like that, so the pins go to the outside. And just put it in carefully until it clicks. Actually, I've done it wrong, so I'm gonna do it without a battery, so it's kind of easier. Like that, until it clicks. And on the other side also until it clicks. And it should be okay, so I can put the battery in with the logo GoPro facing the side with the display. And now you can close this door and you should be able to turn on your camera. Occasionally it may show swap on this display. That means that the SD cards have been previously inserted into that camera, and then they've been taken out and inserted again, and they've been inserted in the wrong order, so you should just swap them. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.